Okay, let's do a few examples on subtracting integers. So our first problem is asking us to solve -7 minus -3. Okay, here's the trick. We want to distribute this minus sign and times it with this -3. So a negative and minus and the negative here would turn into a positive. So it would be -7 plus 3. Our bigger number is 7, so our answer is going to be negative. So it would be like saying 7 minus 3 equals 4. And we could check on the number line if I'm correct. So we start at -7, and we move 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. And did we land on -4? Yes, we did. So our answer is -4. Okay, our next problem is we have 7 minus -3. Once again, distribute. A negative and a negative is a positive. So it would be 7 plus 3. And we would get the answer 10. So we look on the number line. We start out at 7. And we move 3 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3. And we landed on 10, as you can see. Okay, let's go to the next problem. We have -7 plus a -3. A negative plus a negative equals a negative. So our answer is going to be negative. So that's like saying 7 plus 3 equals 10. So our answer would be -10. And we could check on the number line. We start out at -7. And we move 3 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, we landed on -10. So our answer is -10. Okay, let's go to the next problem. We have 7 plus -3. So we look for our biggest number, and our biggest number is 7, and it's a positive. So our answer is going to be positive. So then it will be 7 minus 3 equals 4. So we have a positive 4 as our answer. And we could check this out on the number line. We can start out at 7. And we move 3 spaces to the left since -3 is what we are looking at. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, we landed on 4 as our answer. So it checks out. Our answer is 4. Okay, the directions is telling us try these subtractions. First, change each double minus into a plus sign. Solve from left to right. So we solve from left to right. So we have 5 minus -3 minus -2. So we have to distribute this the subtraction and this negative and turn this to a positive. So it would be 5 plus 3 minus -2. Once again, we have to distribute this subtraction and a negative and turn that into a positive sign. So it would be 5 plus 3 plus 2, and we would get 10 as our final answer. Okay, let's go to the next problem. We have 5 plus -3 minus -2. First we did distribute this, and this subtraction is negative, and turn this into a positive. So let's rewrite this. 5 plus -3 plus 2, and you want to combine the positives first, 5 and 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7, plus the -3. Our largest number here is 7, so our answer is going to be positive. So this is like saying 7 minus 3, and our answer is 4. So the answer is positive 4. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept. What are we doing here?